Laguna Lake right now, and I'm doing some testing of some products, and it's always windy here, and it started out about 10 miles an hour, and just in the last few minutes I think it's picked up to, I don't know, somewhere between 17 and 20 miles an hour. So right now I'm using the Versa paddle, and I'm using it angled. Normally I and most of our customers use the paddle in the longest hole position to have the longest shaft length, but you can see some of these waves are 10 or some of them are 12 inches high, so I just adjusted it to the shortest position so that I have more height in each stroke, and I'm not skipping across the top of these waves. I'm still getting a little bit wet, so it's a fun day. But the nice thing is I'm paddling against the wind. It's pretty challenging, and I'm still making pretty good speed. But normally I like to come out when it's a little bit more calm.